The Pythagorean Theorem. The Pythagorean Theorem is one of the most iconic mathematical concepts. Over 2,500 years ago, the Greek mathematician Pythagoras provided a tool that transformed our understanding of geometry and the world around us. But what exactly is the Pythagorean Theorem? Let's break it down. In its simplest form, the Pythagorean Theorem states that in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse, the side opposite the right angle, equals the sum of the squares of the other two sides. More famously, it can be expressed as a squared plus b squared equals c squared. To illustrate this theorem, let's consider a right triangle and examine the square of the hypotenuse, c squared. Imagine constructing a larger square with sides measuring a plus b by arranging the right triangle in 4 different orientations within the square. This configuration creates an inner square at the center, whose side length equals the hypotenuse, c. Now, we'll calculate the area of this larger square in 2 ways. First, by directly multiplying its side lengths, we find the area as a plus b whole squared. Expanding this expression gives us a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. The second method involves adding the areas of the inner square and the 4 right triangles. The area of the inner square is simply c squared, and the total area of the 4 triangles is 4 times the area of one triangle, which is 4 times ab over 2. Simplifying, we get c squared plus 2ab. Since both methods represent the same total area, we set them equal to each other. A squared plus 2ab plus b squared equals c squared plus 2ab. Subtracting 2ab from both sides, we arrive at the elegant conclusion a squared plus b squared equals c squared. This proof not only demonstrates the theorem, but also reveals the harmony and logic within mathematics itself.